This is a day in the life of a full-time trader. Let's go!
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white.
So, gym again. So, that's how I start my day in order to clear my mind and be ready for what to come. Today, guys, so, ayan, daily stoic for philosophy and mindset. And also reading the Bible, having some worship and praying for spiritual guidance. No, so right now I plan to do a fasted cardio. It's 5:30 already. But wala kasi ako masyadong carbs kagabi. I don't feel like doing a fasted cardio, so I'll buy some bread. So samahan niyo ako. Let's buy some pandesal. Let's go. So, pasikat pa lang yung araw dito. Yan, nag-aalis na rin mga tricycle dito sa lugar namin. Meron pang buwan, no? I don't know if kita siya. Pero let's try. Capture it. Ayun, can you see? There's still a moon. While the sun is like shining na already, no? Sobrang sarap din gumising ng ganito kaaga. I don't know. Na-appreciate ko siya. Di pa naman ako trentahin, pero like 5 a.m. vibes. Ewan ko. Sobrang na-appreciate ko siya. Like the clarity that it gives and everything. So, yeah. I mean, I feel like ang dami kong magagawa sa loob ng buong araw if gumigising ako ng ganito kaaga compared nung gumigising ako ng 9, ng 10 a.m. So yan, malapit na tayo sa bilihan ng pandesal. So, nabili na ako ng pandesal. So, since guys, tayo ng calories, mas magtitimbang tayo ng kinakain natin. So, ang target natin for today is to have 100 grams of this pandesal. So, 98, almost 100. Okay na yan. Then after that, lagyan ko siya ng peanut butter. Titimpla ko na black coffee. So, I'm just gonna eat some breakfast, guys. And I'll take some shower. Then, we're gonna go for a run na. Peace out. See you. So, katapos lang natin mag-breakfast and I already done some showers. Bihis na lang ako for like, syempre, may outfit for running, diba? If you cannot perform, japorm. Pero kidding aside, no guys, is bihis lang ako and I'm gonna go to our local oval here at Cainta, and then I'm gonna do zone 2 running around 5 kilometers, and after nun, syempre, uwi na ako. So, yeah, pasikat na yung araw and I want also to get some sunlight. That's why ganitong oras din talaga ako nag-jog. Ginaslight yung sarili kasi late na eh. But, yeah. Ayun lang. Siguro kita-kits na lang pag-uwi ko kasi hindi ko na madadala tong camera na tong bigat-bigat. Tatakbo-takbo kong gano'n, no? Diba? So, yun lang guys. See you later pag uwi ko. And after naman ito is I'm gonna focus na on our trading side. See you guys. Bye-bye! So right now guys is kakauwi ko lang galing sa run. And time check, it's been 8:55. So magna-9 na. Naka-shower na ako. Nakapag-drink na rin ako ng mga kailangan supplements for today, like protein shake for the recovery. So right now is magpo-focus na tayo sa mga tasks at work natin, especially with Hideout, also some deliverables with Maxi, and some editing of our contents. So yun yung gagawin natin right now, and also I'll be now checking the market, kung ano nga bang mga updates sa market, ano yung magiging trade natin for today, and saan tayo magpo-focus sa market. So right now it's Monday, so cautious lang muna tayo sa mga gagawin natin na trades for today, especially with a interest rate or federal's fund rate within this week. So yeah, I'll be starting to have some analysis on market. Might see if I can trade the Asia session. And yun yung titignan ko right now, no? So again, I'm trading the futures, especially Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, and gold, silver, and BTC, also with Ethereum. Uh, Upon checking it right now, feel ko may possible trade tayo for Asia, but again, hindi ako mag-focus ngayon. And cautious ako kasi it's Monday nga. Nakikita kong gagawin natin ngayon na task is yung pina-content na ini-edit ko kagabi, which is ilalabas ko for YouTube, Facebook, and also TikTok. So you can follow me on those social media. So without further ado, let's start it out.
It's the same way you showed. Nod my head, don't close my eyes.
Pero possible replacement din dun sa 4 hours sa taas na per value lang. If ever yun yung target na.
If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land. So I'm someone to hold true.
So yun guys, after natin ma-post yung ano natin sa social media, yung contents natin no, sa social media, which is andito sa Discord. So andyan, ito yung sa TikTok. Ay mali, tapos ito yung sa YouTube natin. Sa YouTube. Ayun na, actually 2 p.m. na. Nagagawa ko na analysis ko, na-share ko rin dun sa community right now. So, tignan natin kung na-expect natin for the London market. So, let's try to dive into the chart. So, for first, sa index, ang nakikita ko is we could possibly retrace and try natin pumunta dito sa NWOG if ever na mag-fail yung 4-hour order block natin, because syempre doon sa 4-hour order block meron din tayong 1-hour OB. So yun yung nakikita ko. For NQ naman, same din, we do have a 4-hour order block also with 1-hour FVG pala, 1-hour FVG and 1-hour FVG din, but syempre nasa NWOG din tayo and may NWOG din sa taas. So dito rin may NWOG, which is again the New Week opening gap. But ang meron dito is nag-fail yung 4-hour FVG. So titignan natin if mag-hold tong 1-hour fair value gap na to. If hindi ito nagpapakita ng signs na mag-hold siya, there's a possibility na ito talaga yung target natin, which is the Friday's high. In the gold, on the other hand, weekly, parang nag-retrace tayo pataas. Ayan, nakikita natin, rejected tayo dito. Pwede tayo magkaroon ng slight retracement for gold, maybe in this 4-hour OB before continuing again to the downside. Kasi kakasip lang natin liquidity, so maybe we're chasing from external to internal range. So pwede rin natin kunin yan, no? Hindi ko lang sure if dyan din yung POC ng Friday. Dyan nga yung POC ng Friday, so possible puntahan yung market. Ayan, hindi nyo nangyayari ngayon is nag-range si gold. So, pwede tayo mag-take ng trade dito since rejected tayo sa POC. Take ako siguro ng a possible long for gold deluxe. So, try tayo mag-long for gold right now. Ang SL natin is itong respect sa fair value gap. Target lang tayo ng 2R, which is around here. Create a limit order, market long with a proper stop loss and a proper TP with a right risk over risk ako. I'll just try 170 and open up the market. Okay, so yan lang yung limit ko, and yeah, that would be my first trade for gold. Send ko lang to sa ano namin, sa GC, kasi meron kami pinapatak yung account. And yung pinapatakbo namin account, joint account yun, which is a 100k funded account. So kami yung yeah, sali nga ako. So ayan guys, date ko kayo dito sa magiging trade natin, and yeah, join ako sa Discord. Hello. Same ba tayo span sa gold?
Bakit? Long gold.
Long gold, pre.
Mas malalim na entry ko, boy, kaysa na entry mo.
Kinonfirm ko siya, pre, sa kinonfirm ko yung tawag dito, M15 na FVG.
Open mic kaya harap.
Wala, ano na yan, no?
Bandit natin.
Waiting, oh. Valid na to sa akin, wish.
Long na rin ako.
Ay!
So, share ko lang din yung may sisend palang analysis, no? Nagsisend analysis dun sa Discord namin. So, yeah. Okay, I'll update you what will happen in this London session and hopefully mapag-profit tayo. And this is also a 50k account on my own from Gold Funded.
Oh, guys.
So, since meron na tayong trade for London and wala pa naman nakitang possible entry ulit, I'm gonna take my time to cook this meal prep. 200 grams ground beef and 200 grams of chicken breast. Chin-up ko para di siya mahirap kainin. So, ang gagawin ko is piprito ko siya doon. So, while waiting for the trade outcome is, luto muna ako ng meal prep natin for today. Let's go! So, yun guys, naluto na natin siya and ito siya. Which is, ayan, tinitimbang ko pa kasi maglalagay naman ako ng rice. So, welcome back again guys, no? So, right now, asok mo. Napag-trade tayo for London session. Currently, is up tayo ng 100, pakita ko. Up tayo ng $176 sa ating 50k account. So, may SL na na-trade tapos nabawi din naman natin siya with 3 trades. So, bale, may mga break events tapos yun nga, positive pa rin, no? So, makikita natin, positive pa rin tayo. Again, ang naging trade natin is a short on gold, a short on YM, and a short on NQ. Sadly, nag-early out ako sa YM and NQ kasi medyo choppy yung market. Pero, okay naman kasi nag-range lang siya ngayon, hindi rin natuloy yung dump niya. On gold naman, on the other hand, dun tayo na TP-hit sa gold natin, no? So, right now, 5 o'clock, mag-gym muna ako. And after ko mag-gym, guys, is magta-trade ulit tayo. Magpe-prepare tayo for the New York session market and meron tayong live ngayon for the super community, guys, no? So, positive for today. Dami rin natin nagawa. Gym muna ako kahit sana lalamunan ko. But, fuck it, bro. Fuck your feelings, di ba? Parang, do it tired. No? Kung pagod ka, di gawin mo ng pagod. Di ba? So, hanggat kaya mo. Di ba? Ayun lang naman. I know recovery is important, but I think puyat lang ako kagabi. So, right now, impulse pa ako, sir. But, ayun. Mag-gym muna tayo ngayon. Ibisaw pang gym para aesthetic tayo. Tapos, babalik tayo dito. Ayan, dito sa workplace natin. And, dito mag-trade ulit tayo. So, pakita ko na lang siguro yung trade ko ngayon. Ito, ayan. Meron tayong change in state of delivery dito, pati sa M15. Nag-sweep to ng Asia High. Tapos, SMT rin yan with silver. So, nag-close siya dito. Ayan yung naging entry ko for gold. Tapos, ito yung naging TP ko. Itong part na to. Ayan, dyan ako nag-TP, guys. So, ay mag-focus. Ayan, dyan ako nag-TP. Then, out muna ako. Ayun, up tayo. Ay, hindi kita. Ano ba yun? Yan, up tayo. Again, this is a 50k funded account. So, funded na po siya. Di na siya challenge phase from JepApp. So, di ko na kayo masama sa gym. Kasi mamadali na ako, di ako mapag-shoot. Kita kasi na mamaya. Welcome back pala muna, no? Time natin is 9:30 o 9:27. Magna 9:30 mag-open yung New York session. Katatapos lang ng live natin with super community. We did manage to find some long on Ethereum. Right now naman is nakafocus ako on the market but cautious pa rin ako since again, it's Monday. Then may red folder news ng Wednesday. So, nagkaroon tayo ng slight kulitan with Hideout right now. Nagpa-quiz si Boss Fab. Namigay tayo ng
giveaways. Biglaan lang actually, no? So, sa mga wala pa doon, you may join our community. Active trades ko right now is a short position, long position rather, on XAU. Actually, up siya na, maliit lang yung risk ko dito, $57. Sobrang liit lang ng risk ko kasi I'm not that, hindi siya ganun ka-valid. Valid naman siya, pero I'm not that amused by the setup. It's not an A+ setup, but still a valid trade. So I do take the opportunity. If matalo to, it's fine for me. But yeah, sayang din. And mukhang nagpapakita ng long si XAU and parang possible i-target niya talaga yung 4 FBG sa taas. So ayun, balitaan ko kayo kung ano yung magiging trades natin for tonight. If meron ba tayong, if paldo ba bukas o paldo. So, ayun lang naman muna guys. See you around. Peace out. So, last and final update for the day. So, we're ending the day with a $460 of profit na makikita natin. Wait lang. Ulitin ko. Na makikita natin dito. So, we're ending the day with a $460 of profit on a 50K account. It's already 12:19 or 12:20 in the morning and wala, matutulog na ako. So, I'm gonna do is, again, pray, magpasalamat ako dito sa araw na to. Be grateful dahil dito. I mean, guys, nothing's promised. Tomorrow is not promised. Hindi natin alam if ito na yung last day natin. So, wala. Sobrang thankful ko lang dahil nagawa ko yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Sana may mga natulungan ako, naturuan ako. And yeah, let's hope for another good day tomorrow. And ayun lang. Rinse and repeat. And that's a day in my life. Actually, a Monday version of my day in my life as a full-time day trader. So again, this is Nikki, ang nagsasabing, okay lang matalo, basta tututo. Peace out.